If you were in San Francisco when word of Queen Elizabeth's death reached our shores, you may have heard something very special. The bells of Grace Cathedral rolling in tribute. And our Reed Cowan was allowed unprecedented access to the top of the tower.
This morning we rang the bells for Queen Elizabeth. She died this morning, and as soon as we heard the news, we knew we were going to do something special for her today.
Hundreds of feet above Grace Cathedral sanctuary, priest Malcolm Clemens Young opened the steel door to where the bells would ring 96 times. One strike for every year of the life of Elizabeth the Queen, a sister in the faith to the priest at the bells.
We're part of the global Anglican community, so we have connections to 85 million Anglicans around the world. We're mourning the loss of a great person of our time.
As news spread in the sanctuary below, Young set in motion to make the Queen's life and legacy a teachable moment. A life of duty honored in this stone edifice.
She was able to be so faithful in the way that she carried out her duties for so long.
What is a life, be it a queen's or a commoner, and is one more sacred than the other? No, says the priest. Bells are for all of us, reminding us of the God who rings us to life and the life that goes on after the ringing stops.
Bells have this wonderful way of having kind of an afterlife. So there's the sound of the bell actually ringing, and then that resounding, that sound that continues on after the bell rings. It's just a reminder that in our lives, the bell of our life is rung, but there's an after effect that will be present even after we're gone.